What's up, everybody? So today I'm finally going to be upgrading the suspension. I'm putting in some KWV3s. I've also got some Vorschlag top hats with camber adjustment for the front, and then I'm just going to be replacing the rear top hats with some OEM Group N ones, as I'm sure the original ones are pretty shot after nearly 130,000 miles. So should be a pretty fun day today, and I'm pretty excited to see how it comes out. So let's get started. So the cool thing about the Vorschlag top hats, besides their incredible build quality, is that they come with an integrated spring perch that actually replaces the spring perch on your coilover setup. So when you order them, you specify what size spring you have, either 2 1/4, 2 1/2, or in the case of KW, 60 millimeter. Setting off for the first time with the KWV3 coilovers. Let's see how she feels. Immediately I can tell they're way tighter. It's a way better feeling than the stock suspension, especially, you know, since it had 126,000 miles. This feels brand new now. Nice and stiff. Honestly, these feel like really good. I'm really surprised at how nice the ride quality is, despite them being stiffer than the stock suspension. Like it feels like you're almost just floating on a bag of air or something. Man, I seriously cannot wait to get this thing back on the track now. It's definitely going to help improve the lap times. I can tell for sure. Woo! Let's see. It's starting to feel like a race car now. This is making me think I should have done this upgrade a long time ago. Instead of just doing lowering springs, should have just went straight to the coilovers. Let's take this corner a little quick. Oh yeah, just stays like perfectly flat in the corners. All right, let's bring her back home. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and next video is coming up is gonna be getting some new tires, getting rid of these old RE11s, gonna be putting on some RE71Rs. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.